The French verbs fall into two main categories, that is, regular and irregular verbs. In the regular category, the verbs follow a set pattern. That is, if you know to conjugate one verb, you can conjugate using the same pattern, the model, many other verbs. Whereas the irregular verbs do not follow any set pattern and you have to learn them by heart. Now, in the regular category, we have three groups of words. The first group verbs end in ER. The second group verbs end in IR. And the third group verbs end in RE. Now, talking about the irregular verbs, the only ER irregular verb is aller. Aller is not in the first group and will not have any set pattern to follow. Concerning the IR verbs, there are many IR verbs that are irregular, but the problem is how to know which verb is regular and which verbs are irregular. I'll be teaching you how to distinguish between regular and irregular IR verbs later in my videos. So do not forget to subscribe if you are not yet subscribed and click on the bell button to get notified. And lastly, all verbs that do not fit in any of the three groups are classified as irregular. Now it's your turn to tell me which verbs do you find very easy and which verbs do you find very hard to conjugate. Stay tuned for more videos on French conjugation.